Hi, good evening. Welcome to my impact class. If you see the first time my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and Facebook page. So today I will discuss very simple topic, what is called sentence. So sentences are in the process of thinking. They are fit vehicles of expression of ideas, moods and feelings. The words from the element of the sentence, they must follow a definite order or position in a sentence. So what is called elements of a sentence? Very important part of English grammar. So elements of a sentence, just short trick, SVOCA. S for subject, V for verb, O for object, C for complement and A for adverbial. So now I talk about briefly in this part. Okay, so at first, subject. The subject is the naming part of a sentence. It tells us who and what does something. So যে কাজ করে সেই কর্তা. Verb. Then number 2, verb. A verb is a word which says something about the subject. Subject সম্বন্ধে কিছু বলা হলে তাকে verb বলে. Then object. When the verb is asked with what or whom, the answer received from the question is called object. অর্থাৎ verb what কিংবা whom দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করলে আমরা object পাই। মানে বাংলায় আরো বাংলায় বললে কি কাকে দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করলে যে উত্তরটা পাই সেটাই একটা সেন্টেন্সের object. Then complement. The word or group of words which helps the verb to complete what it says is known as the complement. Subject, verb এবং object থাকা সত্ত্বেও সেন্টেন্সকে সম্পূর্ণ অর্থবোধক করতে যে অতিরিক্ত শব্দ বা শব্দ সমূহের প্রয়োজন হয় তাকে বলা হয় complement. And at last, adverbial. Like adverb, the adverbial works in the sentence stating time, place